Marcel Robinson,
ThatDamnVandal,
Zesta,
Giffy.
and we're here in Jozi.
We decided this year, because we operate within Johannesburg and we all love Jozi, that we should really celebrate this city and all her quirky bits and all her beautiful pieces. And we go to town quite often and we love the graffiti that goes into town, and we thought what better way to epitomize this city than the graffiti. You know what, we really think it's a genre that people just walk by. You see it and you think it just happens. You don't realize the hours and hours that goes into it and how it's really an art form, how these guys sit and they plan it, and it's hours and hours of work, and it just beautifies the area. Through Graffiti SA, we thought if we want to do this, we have to go through the right people, you know, because we could go stand on corners and try and grab the graffiti guys, or we can just go to one organization that will have contact with all these people. I absolutely love the finished product. You know, sometimes when you envisage something in your head, it's always better than the real product. This was the other way around. The end product was so much more beautiful than we thought it would be, and I really hope that people will appreciate it for what it is.